Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to Chime account. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To transfer money from your Venmo account to your Chime account, first, open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Log in to your Venmo account if you aren't already signed in. Once logged in, locate the menu icon in the top left corner and tap it. From the menu, select Manage Balance. You will see your current balance displayed here. Next, tap on the Transfer to Bank option. Choose the amount you want to transfer from Venmo. Select the instant or 1 to 3 business days option for your transfer speed. If it's your first transfer, you will need to link your Chime account. To link your Chime account, tap on Add a Bank. Search for Chime in the bank list or enter your Chime routing and account numbers manually. After entering your Chime account details, tap Add Bank. Venmo may request verification for security purposes. Once your Chime account is linked, return to the transfer screen. Select your newly linked Chime account as the destination for your funds. Review the transfer amount and the linked account before confirming. Press the transfer button to initiate the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. Keep an eye on both your Venmo and Chime accounts to ensure the funds arrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.